Welcome to Binary.com. Since 1999, we've been a true pioneer in the binary options trading industry, with a flexible, award-winning platform, fully licensed, safe and secure business practices, an exclusive patented pricing technology, hosting over $2 billion in trades to date. But what is binary options trading? It's a special type of online trading with a fixed payout, in which you predict the outcome from two possible results. The word binary in binary options trading comes from the choice of two potential outcomes in a perfectly clear-cut, dual-sided scenario. For example, will the price of gold trade higher than the current spot price in 15 days? No matter how you slice this scenario, there are only two outcomes possible. Yes, it will trade higher, or no, it will trade lower. Let's just say that you take the position that it'll trade higher and decide to purchase this option. If your prediction is correct, at the end of the set period, you'll receive the payout that was determined at the start of the trade. Note that this amount is automatically calculated and reported to you through Binary.com's pricing technology before you even press the button to purchase this trade. If your prediction is incorrect at the end of the set period, you'll only lose your initial stake and no more. Note that the stake is equal to the amount that you initially pay to purchase the trade, so there are absolutely no surprises. Thus, as you can see, binary options trading is a very easy form of online trading with entirely predictable outcomes. With Binary.com, you know exactly what you stand to gain or lose before purchasing each and every trade. There are never any hidden fees or commission. What you see is precisely what you get. And you can jump in and start trading with as little as $5. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Binary.com. Sharp prices, smart trading.